Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn everything about making a letterhead in a MS Word. Yes, you can also make letterhead using an MS Word without using any expensive softwares. So without wasting any time, let's jump onto the video. So first you need to go to page layout. The size should always be A4. The margin settings should be normal or narrow, anything if you want to. You can keep normal also. So now let's start. So I just increase the font size. Okay, this is it. Go to insert, go to shapes, and then drag a shape. Okay. Grab a shape, fill this shape as black, outline should no outline, or you can keep white, and you can keep the weight as 214. Okay, then I'll again go to shapes, insert shapes, and I'll select this shape. Okay, terminator. I'll draw this shape like this. Reduce the space. This look good. Okay, I'll fill this shape as white and borders also as white. Okay, I'll again copy this and paste it, Ctrl C Ctrl V. I'll fill this shape as red and I'll keep borders as red. This is how it will look like. Okay, then this is a header. I'll select everything by pressing shift key, clicking on all the shapes which I've added. I'll right click them, I'll go to group and I'll group them. Okay, then I'll say Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So I get two of this. I'll just rotate this like this. Okay, go down bottom of the page. So this is our page. Okay. Okay, so this is a bottom of page. Let me just drag this a little bit, and this should be a little bit smaller. Okay, so this is how your letterhead will look like. Okay, if I give you a print preview, see, this is how it will look like. Okay, now let's add a company name and everything. Here comes the logo. Currently I don't have any logo, so I'm just adding a image over here where you can just say company logo. Okay, here comes your company logo. I don't have a company logo, that's the reason I'm not adding any company logo over here. And here comes the company name. So I'll go to insert, I'll go to word art, and I'll select any of the word art you are comfortable, or whichever word art you like to keep here. I am keeping this. Company name is getperfect private limited. Okay, so this is done. The header of the letter has been done. Here comes all your matter, whatever you want to type. Okay, and now here comes the ending part where you need to put address. So I'll draw a table. I'll select a text box. Getperfect private limited, unknown lane, Pune, Maharashtra, India, and the pin code. I'll reduce the font size of this. If you want, you can also add in a icon. Go to insert, go to icons, something is gone wrong over here. Okay, now I'll reduce the font size some more, or I'll just keep this font size. This looks okay. I'll write address. Below address I'll also write website, www.getperfect.com. Okay, the font is good. Go to shapes format, shape fill as red, border as no outline, text fill as white. Okay, see, so now the address part has been completed, where you can also show your address, and here will show email ID and the contact number. So again, I'll go to insert, I'll draw a text box here, email ID, support @getperfect.com, and contact number will +91 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'll reduce the font size. Go to home and reduce the font size. I'll align it to right, and I'll go to shapes. Fill shape will be black or no fill, any of this, and no outline, and the font color should also be in white. Okay, So now our letterhead has been completed. So if you want to change the color, see how it will look over here. I'll just show you how it will look. See, simple letterhead which is been prepared in no time in MS Word without using any of the expensive software. So if you want to change the color, you don't like red color, you can go ahead and change this color. Suppose I go and change this color to say orange, and there also I'll change this color to orange. Okay, here I said no fill. Okay, you can change this color to orange, blue, or whatever color you are comfortable with, and you can prepare your letterhead. So this is the first format of a letterhead which I think is great for you. Here comes all your content. Print your content with using a printer, and take a printout from a printer, and everything is ready. So using the same format, you can also change the colors and check which color suits you, or which color is more suitable as per your company profile. So let me know how you find this video, and hit that like button if you like this video. Share this video with your friends and family. By doing such letterhead, you save a lot of money without using any expensive softwares. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload the video. And guys, please be at home and stay safe. Don't go anywhere outside, and also please do take care of yourself. Bye.